Right, good afternoon. Right, we're now back at home and we're back in the Lake District following my trip to Greenland. On the way back from Greenland, I did call at Copenhagen and spent some couple of days going around taking pictures of Copenhagen. But I thought I would leave that video or videos for a little while. We'll get back to the core of this channel, which is basically going out for walks and trying to find decent landscape photography or photographs in the Lake District. So that's what we're doing today. It's late afternoon, and we're going, well, let's start again. I was wondering where to go. I planned to come out today, wondering where to go, and it was our camera club meeting last night, and the speaker was showing various places in the Lake District, and it's inspired me to come here. I've parked near Seatoller, which is 10-minute drive, 15-minute drive from home. Yeah, so we've parked at Seatoller and we're now walking to Johnny Wood. I'm going to go through Johnny Wood and then go on to High Doat, I think it's called. If it's wrong, I'll put it up on the video. For sunset. I mean, there is some there's clouds in the sky, but there is some blue, so hopefully we might get a decent sunset. So that's planned for today. As we're going on our way, I'd just like to thank everybody who watches these videos. We've now surpassed 250 subscribers, which I think is brilliant. I'm only a very small channel, but it shows that some people appreciate what I'm doing. Please, if you like this particular video, please click the thumbs up, and if you really like what I'm doing, please subscribe, and possibly click the bell so you will get notifications of videos. I aim to put a video up every Sunday at 5 o'clock. So yeah, thank you very much for everybody who watches, and particularly those that have subscribed, getting me over 250 subscribers. Yeah, it's slow growth, but yeah, I enjoy doing them, enjoy getting out on the fells, enjoy photography. So yeah, it's partly a record for me, but if people are really enjoying it and subscribing, that's an added bonus. Anyway, we'll see you a little bit later. Right, we're in Johnny Wood now, and I've heard it described as a North Atlantic rainforest. Hence, you've got, like on the wall here, lots of moss. So I've set up a composition. You can see the camera there. I'm trying to get a leading line of the wall, the mossy wall, going into the forest. If we look at the back of the camera there, we'll see the settings, a fifth of a second f11 at 100 ISO. So yeah, we'll try that. I don't know whether it'll come out. There might be some better shots later on, and if it's any good, I'll put it up on the video. So yeah, we'll see you a little bit later. Right, so we're now leaving the forest, or the wood. I didn't really see any other shots to take. I mean, it was a pleasant walk going through, so we're going to go up there, up to High Doat. But we're just going to go this way. There is a river, Scale Close Gill. I don't know whether you can hear it, but I can hear water flowing. So it flows down there, and then if you look up that way, you can see Castle Head, or Castle Crags, should we say, the smallest of the Wainwrights. So we'll have a wander towards the river, or the beck, gill, see if there's anything there, and then we'll head up High Doat to see what we can see on the top. So anyway, we'll see you a little bit later. Right, well, we've stopped here at the gill just before we head up High Doat. Just struck me, there's some light on, and I think that's Grange Fell over there with Castle Crag in the front. So I've just been slightly to my left, and I've just taken a handheld shot. I don't know what it'll come out like. Don't know whether Castle Crag might look a bit dark with Grange Fell so lit up. So anyway, we'll see what it's like, and if it's any good, we'll put it up on the video after this. And we'll see you shortly up on High Doat. Right, well, we've made it to the top of High Doat. Yeah, it's quite impressive. And if you look down there, that's looking down to Seathwaite. Seatollers, I don't know whether you can see, there's some tents down there. That's Seatollers just before that, but that's the valley down to Seathwaite. And the main mountain you can see in the background is Great End. And coming round there, you've got yeah, that's, I think that might be Rosthwaite Fell with Tarnet Leaves that we've done done a video on. You can see there's a path, sort of a valley going up with trees. The bottom of there, that's where somewhere around there is Coombe Gill Mill, and the path goes up and then goes round, not into the main valley, but it goes up the side, and I'll put an arrow where Tarn of Leaves is on the video. So yeah, and that's Stonethwaite down there, and yeah, it's and coming around, there's quite nice light at the moment, so we're going to have to get our compositions found and get some nice shots. So, and there we're looking towards Castle Crag and Skiddaw, and obviously Keswick. And then as we come round, and I think that might be Dale Head there. And the bit where it's extremely bright and probably blowing out there, that's up to Honister. Right, so that gives you an idea of where we are, and we're just going to have a mooch around and see what compositions we can find as the light changes. So yeah, so we'll see you a little bit later. Right, well, we've come on that composition with light on the top of Rosthwaite Fell, and obviously looking to Tarnet Leaves. The only slight problem with it, if we just move across there, I don't know whether you can see, and I assume it should be in the shot, there's an aerial, but I think something like that, that's what Photoshop's for, so we'll probably try and clone that out. So yeah, as you can see, the lights, I've already taken the shot, but the light is receding up the fell there. Right, so yeah, if it's any good, we'll put it up on the video. We'll have a mooch around, see if we can find anything else. There's a few gnarly trees around, and there's still light right across over there. I don't know, we'll have a think and we'll see you shortly. Right, well that's the final composition. I did take the shot a little while ago when there was some colour in the sky, looking down to Seathwaite and Great End. So as you can see, the light's fading now, and I've obviously got to get down. So yeah, I think we're going to call it a night now and head back. So yeah, that was the last shot, and I'll see you very shortly. Right, well anybody who's watched the video to the end here, thank you very much. As I said at the beginning, please click on the thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and if you like what I'm doing, why not subscribe. And I do appreciate and I do answer all comments, even if it's a thank you or if it's a question, I'll try and answer in the best possible way. Please comment if there's anything in particular in the Lake District you'd like me to go to, or anything you'd like me to change in the videos that would make them more informative or more to your liking, and we'll see what happens. So anyway, once again, thank you very much for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.